So these are Durox, lubed with 205G0, filmed with TX 0.15 millimeter, whatever they are. Top mount Constellation 65. Hey there, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoyed the content you're about to watch today, please feel free to like, subscribe, drop me a follow, do whatever you guys need to do. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you want to catch me on any other platforms, all the links to everything is in the bio down below. Thank you again for stopping by. Enjoy the video. So I did unbox this a little bit. I didn't take it apart or anything, but this is the Constellation 65. Ooh. Velcro. Nice. This is a multi-mounting board, yeah. I think there's what, 3 ways you can mount this technically? Something like that. 3 ways. We got number 15 of 200. That's kind of cool. That is kind of neat. Beautiful color, yeah. I don't know what way we're gonna do it. This is the PCB. We're gonna need that as well. Take a look at the back. How do you like the Aerion? Ooh, dude, I'm actually really big into it. I got my fingerprint on it. Ignore it, guys. That is actually really nice. I'm actually a big fan of the way this looks. The board is so clean. I'm really excited for this. I am very excited to take this apart and start building. All right, let's lube some stabs. Stab lube time. Let's go. shall we open it? I love the feet cutout. I don't know why I'm like oddly satisfied by this entire keyboard to a degree which I've never been satisfied before. This is very, very pretty. Back, it's sexy. Oh, this is neat. What mounting style are we doing? This can come out too. That's very cool. What about a good old top mount? Should we do a good old top mount? Should we just try a basic old top mount? You guys want to try top mount? Top mount's actually one of my favorites. I think it feels very, very good. The PCB looks so sleek. I agree, right? I like you people. I like it to people, yeah. O-ring or top mount? Top mount? It's really good, but as an American, it kind of hurts to watch. What do you mean, Frozen? Oh, Borat? Can we do a poll? Chozo, I don't know if you're still in chat, or I'll do it. We do a poll, I guess, for the mounting styles. So what do we got? Like, yeah, I'm gonna give you guys two options. Top mount. Do we have a burger mount option with this? I don't know if there's a burger mount option. Any long pulled switch? Hold on. I think we have gasket, O-ring. I don't know if there's a burger. Yeah, gasket, O-ring, or top mount. Dude, I feel like I haven't tried any switches. I've only tried Cherry MX and my friend's creams. Cherry MX are still really good, man. Like, if you mod them, they're still pretty good switches. You know? Multitasking, no worries, my guy. No rush, my dude. Dwarfy, how you doing? Good day to you too, my guy. Good day. Hopefully you're having a good one. Dang, that knife is expensive. I want one ASAP. There's so many high-end boards out there that I really want to get, but need to pace myself with this hobby. So I'm focusing on accumulating some mid-range keeps first. Here's the cool thing about this hobby, in my opinion. There's so many things that you could do. Like, so many things that you could do at whatever pace that you feel like. And I think that's the really, really fun part about this. I want a carved just as bad. The carved ones are nice. Carved is nice stuff. But I have to admit, there's some really cool stuff that you could do at your own pace too, which is really fucking awesome. So we have gasket, O-ring, or top mount. Whatever you guys vote, it's in the chat, in the window at the top. Oh, so it looks like everyone did vote for gasket mounted. So let's apply the gaskets. Actually, wait, I'll solder first. That sounds like a smarter idea. We'll do the soldering. Because I actually really like I'm actually very, very into some of the, I guess, design elements of this board. It looks really good. Let's take a look at it though. It's one of those boards. We'll probably just put Crimson Cadet on it again. I don't really have any other cap sets available at the moment. I'm still waiting on a few. But like, dude, there's some really pretty elements of this board. Like some very pretty elements. Jam. If you were an actual jam, you'd be strawberry because that's my favorite. Because you're my favorite. Like even the profile, like that looks so good. This board's a beaut. It really is. I don't know if you guys can really like take. Well, I mean, you guys probably. But even this curve, this like curve that comes up here, just looks so good, hitting different parts of the light. Like it really does look sexy. Even this, like this looks really, like that looks really sexy. Crimson Get would look dope. I'm sold. I just needed one person to agree with me. Just need one single person to agree with me. The bezels. So the bezels on this keyboard right away. Oh my god, this looks really fucking good. The bezels look really good. This is like the perfect width for bezels in my mind, for my personal taste. Holy, this looks good. Wow. Little side profile action. Get your hands on the red accents to the brass one. I actually don't even mind the little bit of colors. Okay. So these are Durox, lubed with 205G0, filmed with TX 0.15 millimeter, whatever they are. Top mount Constellation 65. I'm not a hard spacebar clicker. Kind of just like tap it. Oh, hold on. Ignore it. Ignore it. That's one of my macros. Okay. It's one of my macros. That sounds actually really good. And it feels really good too. I like this. Me too. I actually like the sound a lot. So these are linears on brass. It does. It sounds pretty good. I like the spacebar, please. Twanky. These actually are Durock switches. Oh, what am I doing? I'm clicking some button randomly now. It's probably the brass. It's probably the brass when it comes to like the combo of linears plus brass a little bit. Feels really good. I actually love top mount keyboards. I love them. I like the way they sound. I like the way they feel. This is very pretty. Visually, this is my thing too. Visually, this is very much my thing. Hold on. And then we're going to try gasket. I think gasket will reduce some of the... Bare cables look good. Bare cables? I haven't heard of bare cables. I think gasket might reduce some of the... Oh, next board. How you doing? Gasket might reduce some of the... What's it called? I guess vibration feeling you typically feel with like a top mount. Do you feel some vibration feedback? But I love that. Top mount... I guess in gasket too. Some gasket mounting is really nice. But top mount's one of my favorites. Top mount's one of my favorites. Actually, O-ring's really nice too. That's the cool thing, is you can try all of them with this board. And that's the really interesting thing too, because if you pick up this board, you can try all three and you'd be like, oh, which one do I like more? And it's all personal preference, which is really awesome. But my God, this looks super good. I love the bezels. I really do. I like the thickness of the bezels. Let's take another close look at this, guys. Bring it up to the top again. If it wants to focus. So there we go. Constellation 65. I'm a fan. I like the top mount. I think if I do gaskets and I end up liking top more, I'm going to leave it on top. I have a feeling I'm really going to like O-ring. I'm really going to like the O-ring mount style. Loving the accents around the edge. Yeah, the accent's nice. The weight's really pretty. This is the bottom if you guys haven't seen it.